गोंयांत 4 फेब्रुवारीक विधानसभेच्यो वेंचणुको थारल्यात म्हण दक्षिण गोंयांत वेंचणुकेची तयारी पुराय जायत चल्ल्या अशी माहिती बुधवारा दक्षिण गोंयचे जिल्लोधिकारी स्वप्नील नायक हांणी दिल्या। वेंचणुको सुरळीतपणान जावच्यो म्हण 42 भरारी पथक स्थापन केल्यात म्हण तांणी माहिती दिल्या। आरडीएक्स खातीर मडगांवच्यान मंदार नायक।
The directions of the ECI within the next 48 hours, all the actions about the removal of banners, posters, etc. will be completed. They have said that within 48 hours, all banners, posters which are not licensed. Actually, as per the Divestment of Property Act in Goa, there is no permission, no banners or posters can be put up anywhere in Goa. So we have to enforce this. Our squads have already started doing this work. They are already on the field, and by 48 hours we expect to cover up the whole of South Goa and remove the banners. For hoardings and other material we need 72 hours. All the flying squad vehicles and static surveillance squads vehicles which will be given will be having 42 flying squads in South Goa. That is 2 per constituency. They are having 21. Yeah. And this flying squads will be operational 24 hours. We will be having 3 groups, 3 teams on each squad. So they will be doing shift duty, 8 hours, then again 8 hours and 8 hours. So these squads have already become operational from today. We have also activated the district control room. The number for the control room is 2794100. So this is the district control room. This is also the control room for the Sunset Taluka, and also Taluka-wise control rooms have become operational. We have 848 polling stations in South Goa. From this election, the full of Honda Taluka is now coming under the South District. About 4,240 staff, polling staff, is already appointed to take care of these polling stations. The training is on. It has started yesterday, and all the other squads, that is the flying squads, as I said, 2 per constituency. Then there are static surveillance teams. This will be stationed at prominent locations, including the airport, the port, and entry points into the state. All this, there are about 11 static surveillance teams besides the flying squad. There will be, each constituency will be having an assistant expenditure observer team, a video surveillance team, and a video viewing team. Besides that, we are also having the model media control and monitoring committee, which will be functioning at the TO level as well as at the RO level. So we have also appointed about 16 nodal officers who will be handling various aspects of the election, like the poll management, the postal ballots will be handled by nodal officers. So we had a meeting in the morning with all the nodal officers also. And so with all these efforts and all these preparations which were going on over the past almost 2 months, now today all these teams have become functional and fully operational.
Out of total 1,998, 1,305 arms holders have deposited weapons. Since we have only 2 days, we would like to appeal that they should come and deposit their arms at police station. Those people who have been exempted, they did not deposit the weapon. As regards to preventive action, we have taken action against 1738 people under various heads of 107, 109, 110. This will continue till the election gets over.